Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum. And today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1962 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. This one has a 327 under the hood, and it really is a pretty car. If you're driving this down the street, it's going to turn quite a few heads. As I'm doing the walk around, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on our YouTube channel. Turn on notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video. And then head on over to volocars.com where you can get all the specs, the write-up Jay does, all the pricing for it, and then give our sales department a call. The phones have been ringing off the hook, so we're selling lots of cars. All right, let's take a seat in. Door opens with ease. Shuts nicely. The seats feel comfortable. Like that, has the 4-speed. All right, let's go start it up. Sounds great. Speedometer, tachometer in the middle. Notice the tach's not bouncing up. We'll get this up in the air and fix that. Radio works. The mirrors look real clean. Same with the front windshield. Not seeing any tears or rips on the dash. Everything in here looks really great. So this is the first time anyone from the shop has a chance to get it out on the road, so we'll start off just getting used to it, and we'll get on it later, and we'll see if there's anything we need to do to fix. Clutch pushes back out nicely, not too strong, not too soft. Real easy. Feels like it's driving nice and straight. These 50s, 60s Corvettes, they're just really awesome to drive. You feel cool driving them. People love seeing them. It's just a win-win all around. Brakes are nice, not too soft, not too tough. Going over the bumpy road so far, I'm not hearing any rattles or anything. Shifting's nice and tight too. Not a lot of wiggle room going around or anything. Just first, second, third. Let's get on her a little bit. Get up and go. Easy handling while you're going through it. I could cruise around in this thing all day long. Really comfortable with the top off. Gauges seem to be working. working. The only thing I'm noticing is that tachometer. So like I said, we'll go ahead and connect. Still take this over that one any day. Enjoyed it as much as I have. Like I said, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com because this one's gonna sell quick. All right, as always, appreciate you.